Nixol capsules are a weight loss supplement made in the UK. They're marketed as clean, vegan, and based on science, but when you look closer, the science part is a bit shaky. The brand has a sleek, minimalist look, definitely trying to fit into the whole wellness trend. You'll see phrases like burn fat, keep muscle, and lose weight without obsessing over every calorie all over their site. It sounds great, but there's not much backing it up. They say the formula is clinically researched and targets multiple things at once, but there aren't any actual studies or clinical trials linked anywhere. You just kind of have to take their word for it, which is a red flag if you're serious about results. As for what's inside, the capsules include apple cider vinegar extract, inulin, and glutamine. Each of those can have some health benefits on their own, but there's no solid evidence that combining them does anything special for weight loss. They don't explain the dosages or why these ingredients are supposed to work well together either. They mention manufacturing under GMP standards, but they're not actually certified, which is an important difference. And there's no mention of third party testing, so it's hard to tell how reliable the product really is. The reviews on their site are all glowing, but there's nothing from independent sources like Reddit or other review platforms that makes it hard to trust what you're seeing. Some users report minor improvements in digestion or energy, but these results are inconsistent and not guaranteed. Overall, Nixol looks good on the surface and says all the right things, but it just doesn't back it up. There's no clear evidence behind the claims, and the transparency just isn't there. It's probably not a scam, but it does seem overhyped, and anyone expecting dramatic weight loss without diet or exercise will likely be disappointed. Always do your research and don't rely solely on marketing hype when it comes to supplements. Remember, supplements can help support healthy habits, but they aren't a replacement for real lifestyle changes like proper nutrition, exercise, and professional guidance if needed.